Hello, this is Stephanie1547 again, and this is really important. You might want to get paper and pencil or something. Um, in my inbox, I've received a message from a safety thing, and it said that there's lots of people on YouTube that send requests to do videos on like your feet or something and other parts of your body like your tongue or something to make a video about it. And um, it gave me some names of YouTube people that do that, and I just wanted to tell you who those people were. I actually received a message from one of them, uh, but I didn't do it. The first one is Lucy Loves Music 13. Second is JB Private Foot Reading. Third is Thai Guy 6993. Then I don't know how you pronounce this, but it says IMMABEEANNA. Then Brit and Mel. Then Brit Baby 45. Then Apsnick 1. Christy Des Antos. I don't know how you say that. It's CHRISTYDESANTOS 95. Then Max is Nice 100. Emily 95 SP. That's the one I received a message from. And DANIBOBANNIE 14. So if you receive any messages from these people, please do not make any videos because they're really bad people and they can post it and they watch it all the time and they share it and it's not good. So I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you for watching.